I am going on a Himalayan trek. This is my first actual trek. Like, I've never properly hiked before. So the fact that my first trek is in Himachal Pradesh and apparently it's a moderate trek is kind of concerning because I'm also the least athletic person I know of. Now that I think about it, I have done a trek before, but it's like a very easy trek. Like, I did Sinagat Fort in Pune, and I remember even climbing those like 2.5 kilometers. I was like, I've also done Vetal Tekri in Pune, which is also pretty easy. So basically, my experience in trekking or hiking is, yeah, it's a nice zero. So when I quit my job this year, I was like, I want to have a good, fun staycation with my friends. So me, Bhavya, Shelly, all three of us were college roommates, and we decided on doing something the complete opposite of that. We decided that we were not gonna chill, relax, and have a good time. Instead, we are going to suffer. Because initially I fully thought that I'm gonna cancel last minute. Like, I'm gonna bail out. मैं बोलने वाली हूँ कि कोई फालतू reason बना के कि guys मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगी ट्रैक पे तुम अपना देख लो. But I just hope I have an amazing and lovely time. I hope everything goes smoothly. I'm excited, but I'm equally more terrified. Yeah, that's it. Today is 4th of June, and I am here with the one and only, the only person who can make me do things like this. I'm here with Shelly Lily, and we are heading to Chandigarh. We're heading to the airport right now, and I'm just so excited. Actually, I'm not. I'm not excited right now. I'm actually a bit tired, but I think the minute I step into the airport, I think it'll hit me that this is happening. The trip is happening. The trip has actually made out of the group chat, but there's no backing out now. The only way out is through. We are leaving for our meeting point, and we shall reach there within like the next 10-15 minutes. What the hell? भाई ये मेरे वेट से ज़्यादा है. So usually ऐसे बोलते हैं backpack में ऐसा होना चाहिए कि it should look like an extension of your back. This is not an extension of my back. ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा. She is looking the most sorted. हाँ भाई तेरे को वेट फील हो रहा है. भाई हमने कुछ गलत पैक किया है. हमने 100% कुछ गलत पैक किया है. मतलब बहुत पैक है. ऐसे स्टैक करी जा रही है. We have officially started. How are you feeling?
I'm very tired.
How are you feeling?
Amazing.
We'll have to do a river crossing now on our first day itself. That's gonna be exciting.
This is the river crossing. सीधे ऐसे पानी नीचे जा रहा है. And this is how we're supposed to cross it.
और मैंने पत्थर के अंदर ही डाल दिया पैर मेरा.
पत्थर के अंदर
पानी के अंदर.
भव्या स्ट्रगल कर रही है.
You made it!
पहला दिन खत्म भी हो गया. पहले दिन का ट्रैक.
And it's not easy. What is killing us is the bag. ये गैंडे जैसा जो बैग है, 80% of the battle is in the fucking bag को ऊपर चढ़ाना. In fact, आज की ट्रेल खाली 1 किलोमीटर थी. 1.5. How did you guys find?
मजा आ रहा था मुझे. ये जवानी दीवानी वाइब्स आ रही थी फुल ट्रैक में.
Shelly is the most optimist.
And it's challenging. It's not easy at all. But
this is our tent. Up we'll give a little tour.
little क्या हो गया too.
दादी अम्मा मान जाओ ना. What are we having?
मेरी टोपी इतनी ऊंची क्यों दिख रही है?
ये कंसर्न्स है. Like मेरी टोपी देख भाई. ये देख. ये पता नहीं स्नो माउंटेन यहाँ बना हुआ है मेरी टोपी. This is the campsite. Shelly, say hi. We are in Panchali Thach.
We are outside of Manali, guys.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the view behind us. It's almost.
The view is insane.
It's like very pretty. It's fun.
Crazy.
We are waiting for Shelly. Shelly lost her gloves,
Glove, yeah.
but she's coming back.
I look like an oblava aloo right now, dude. Like, look at me. Today is day 2 and I woke up around like 5 in the morning. I slept at 11. I couldn't sleep. I don't know, I just got scared. I was like, bhai, koi bhalu ya koi leopard to nahi hai bahar. But that was not the case. Wind thi, which is why the tent was moving a little. Yesterday, I think the highlight was me, Shelly, Bhavya, all of us like went outside at 7 and it was pitch dark. And the amount of stars I saw, that's anything unlike like I've ever seen in my entire life. This is the view of the trail. Shelly, say hi. Hi. ये हालत है हमारी after 1 hour of trekking. सांस फूल गई है. The escalation was so steep and we are just 1 hour in. Sadly हम सबसे पीछे थे. 3 hours more to go. And look at this hat, dude.
भाई पता है मैं क्या लग रही हूँ गाइस? मैं ढिंचाक पूजा लग रही हूँ. दिलों का शूटर. या दिलों का. Okay guys, how do you feel?
हालत टाइट है.
Guys, ये हमारी kidnapper है.
This was so steep. Oh my god, it was so steep. This was the trail we came from and now we have to go from there to there. भाई पूरा कीचड़ हो गया ये. We completed our day 2. So we are 50% done with our trek. We are in Lohali campsite right now, and if you can see. But day 2 was insane. Today is the summit day, and we climbed I don't know how many 2 kilometers, but it was like essay the whole time. I'm so exhausted, I cannot even speak. I thought I'll record कि कितना steep था climb, but at this point I'm just like pushing myself to just reach the summit point. Just to give an idea कि हम कहाँ से कहाँ तक आए हैं. That, do you see those tents? I don't know if it's possible to see, but those were our tents जहाँ से हम आए. We climbed all the way from there to here, and that is Shelly and Bhavya. We are about to reach Piya's Kund.
Yeah. And हम लोग ऐसे वो कुंड के पास नहीं जाएंगे because there are some beliefs that localites के beliefs है ऐसे कि कुछ होता है mythological reasons है कुछ तो XYZ reasons because of which we can't go near the कुंड.
We'll take a word from our tour guide. He's the senior tour guide. आप बोलना चाहिए हमारी performance कैसी रही है?
अच्छी रही है. वैसे
क्या हम बहुत पीछे छूट गए थे?
नहीं सही चल रहे हैं.
सही चल रहा है.
हाँ,
आपको पता है हमारी 6th ट्रैक है.
अच्छा.
हमारा पहला. आपको विश्वास हो रहा है कि हमारी 6th ट्रैक है? हमारी हालत देख के हमारी फर्स्ट ट्रैक है ये.
पहली ट्रैक है, मजाक कर रहे थे आप.
ठीक.
कोई आपने वाइल्ड लाइफ एनकाउंटर देखा है यहाँ पे?
भाई भालू नहीं आएंगे.
Genuinely pushing myself to reach the summit point, and the summit point is इस पहाड़ के पीछे. This is Bhavya. We are about to reach the summit is over there. Bhavya, are you okay?
I am not.
चल. We reached. We reached. How are you feeling?
I feel I feel scared to go back.
Yeah, there's gonna be descent up. It's actually very dangerous where we are sitting. Like we can, कोई पत्थर इधर उधर हिला. Go on, see. We are descending right now. We just came back from the summit, and it's such a steep descent to a campsite, and it's so windy and it's so cold. This is the view from our descending. भव्य एकदम स्ट्रगल करते हुए. और एक में शांति आवाज सुनने दे बस. आदमी सोए. आदमी सोए कैसे भाई? इतनी तेज आवाज आ रही है बकरियों की.
क्या आवाज है? किसी किसी की इतनी फटी हुई आवाज है भाई. वो बेचारे मैं भी नहीं बोल पा रहे. क्यों बोल रहे हैं पता नहीं. एक ऐसी बकरी है जो कांस्टेंट नहीं मैं ऐसी आवाज कर रही है. फिर दूसरी है जिसकी आवाज निकाल नहीं पा रहा है. वो फिर भी करे जा रहा है.
Today is day 4 and we are descending. मैं एक बार गिर भी गई descend करते करते.
और कैसे गिरी है दिखा ना जरा. उसी में तेरा वार्म अप हो जाएगा.
I'm just lucky कि मेरा ankle twist नहीं हुआ. But descending is comparatively easy. There was just a section जहाँ पे I had to lock in. Like it was so dangerous. Sherry, do you want to say anything?
मेरे को बहुत मजा आ रहा है डिसेंड करके बिकॉज बहुत जल्दी डिस्टेंस कवर हो रहा है. एक बीच में एक भी. अब मैं वापस बोलूँ कि मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है डिसेंड करके क्योंकि हम डिस्टेंस बहुत जल्दी
और आगे कर अपना हाथ. सॉरी यार, अच्छा बनेगा ब्लॉग.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है डिसेंड करके. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है डिसेंड करके क्योंकि डिस्टेंस बहुत जल्दी कवर हो रहा है. और एक ऐसा रास्ता आ गया था जहाँ पे हमें ऊपर चढ़ के वापस नीचे आना पड़ा क्योंकि हमने गलत रास्ता ले लिया था. उसमें जो हमारी बट ठीक है, इट वॉज एन एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई एन्जॉयड इट अ लॉट. एंड वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स टू गो? मोर 2.5 kilometers to go. We are descending. We've almost covered, I think, 95% of it, just 5%.
95. Okay, 1, 2, 10. Shelly, अब तू कर. 1, 2, 3, 10.
मैं burpees भी कर सकती
कर burpees कर तू.
हूँ. ये मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
ये burpees हो गया इसका यहीं पे. ये burpee, I can do burpees as well. उठना होता है burpees के बाद. दूसरा कर. 2. नहीं, गलत करिए वो. ठीक है, गुड. Shelly, hi. Yay! Heading back. Say we did it.
We did it. We are heading back to the place where we kept our things, but we did it.
Ignore how we look right now, but we are doing something very special. It's Bhavya's birthday in a week's time, and we are gonna wish her. We're gonna surprise her with a cake today. I hope she likes it. I think it'll be very special for us. Like just knowing that you're under the stars and all 20 people are celebrating you. So we're gonna give these postcards to our
Track
leader, and hopefully she likes it. It's Bhavya's birthday, and she's the most well-spoken and the most patient person I know. And I'm so happy that we'll be able to celebrate her 23rd birthday. Her birthday is in March. And I'm just so happy that she chose to connect with us. So
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhavya. Happy birthday to you. I'm speechless right now. I think this is like one of the most memorable things that has happened, and yeah, I truly am like I can't speak anything, but thank you to each and every one of this. Trek became even more special, and yeah, I can't.
It's no
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bhavya.